Are you a professional and want to be discovered and showcase your talent and also advance your career? Or a business person wishing to grow your business without having to sign into multiple accounts, or maybe an influencer trying to grow your followers? Or better still, maybe you are a job seeker looking for job and better commission. Then you are in the right place. But before I continue, if this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Also, enable the notification for you to be the first to know when I release a new video. For question or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. Now let's move on. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works with one platform called WebTalk. WebTalk is a brand new social media platform that combines the best aspects of Facebook, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms, while also sharing 50% of its ad revenue with all its members. Literally, you get paid on every action performed on the site. This includes your time on the site, referring new users, logging in daily, posting content, liking, sharing, commenting, and even posting videos. I have tested the platform thoroughly and have been an active user for a couple of weeks now. And I've discovered that it is a good place to be. That's why I decided to share this with you. Alright, with that being said, now let's jump into the computer and show you exactly how this works. Here is my profile page. In case you wish to join, I will put the link in the description. Click on the link, fill in the necessary information, and then sign up. I will also put the link to my user ID. You can use it to sign up. When you finish signing up, then it will bring you to this page where you can get started. This is what the home looks like, where you can upload photo, video, files, and even tag people. But the best way to get started is to come over here, click on this menu, click on reward, then click on get qualified. Here you complete your profile, enroll on reward program, link your file. You click on here to complete your profile, click on here to enroll, and click on here to link your account. When you complete all this, that's when you can start earning money on WebTalk. And if you scroll down to where you have calculate your bonus income, if you click on it, you will see this pop-up window that says income calculator, calculator terms and conditions. You read this terms and conditions, then tick this box. I have read and agreed to the income calculator terms of use. Then you click proceed. When you click on this little arrow, here it says how many engagement points will you earn per month. Click on this learn more. You can see earn 1 point per post, like, comment, share, provide view, etc. up to 100 points per day. This one says how many influencer points will you earn per month. If you click on this learn more, here it says 10 points per like, 20 points per comment, and 30 points per share of your post by others. No limit to daily influencer points. When you come to referral rewards, you click on this. You can see here how many people can you invite to join WebTalk. Click on learn more. How many engagement and influencer points you go through all this. After going through all that, and then when you come back up here, these messages where you can get all your private messages and messages that other people send to you. This is your connection, people that follow you. This notification, and this the reward. This way you will see your earnings. When you come up here again and click on this menu, when you come up here again and click on this menu, you come down here, you can find out what WebTalk is all about. You click on about, you can see here, no matter where you network, you can do it better on WebTalk. You scroll down here, you can read about all this. Then if you come up here again, click on it, click on products. You can see it, the internet reimagine. Just take your time and go through all this. When you come back to the menu, click on it. Then you can see the affiliate program. Referral reward affiliate program, and 10% revenue share for life. Enroll now is free. You can go through all this. Go through 10% charity. Just take your time, praise, help. Just take time and mess around here. 10% charity pledge, praise, and help. Just take your time and mess around here so that you can have a better understanding of the platform. That is it for this video. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Also, remember to turn on the notification for you to be the first to know when I release a new video. For any view, question or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. Thank you. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.